apart from sports tourism, we're also supporting sustainability, and this is the reason why Mud for Fun exists. We are not just playing in the mud. We are playing in the mud for a reason. Our mission as a team to do 10 million trees in the next 10 years. So for every person who supports or come through for Mud for Fun, they are part of our sustainability agenda.
Naivasha is definitely a tourism hub, and so just having people coming here, there are different spots to visit. I mean, we have Hell's Gate just next door. We have a couple of hotels where people can stay. And I mean, even the businesses around. Business is also thriving because we are definitely, part of this.